everyone, welcome back once again in my Python tutorial series part 4. So in my previous tutorial I had shared the data types and then casting in Python with the data types we have done. So in this video I'm going to show you string. What are the string and what are the use of them. So keep watching my video till the end because this video is going to be very helpful for the string. So basically what are the string and what is the role and responsibility of the string in Python. Not even the Python, in the coding everywhere, like JavaScript having the JavaScript, Java or PHP or whatever coding you have done, like C, C++. So everywhere having a string having a very basic role and responsibility in the coding. So basically string in a Python are sequence of characters which are enclosed in single quote or the double quotes. So they are the immutable, meaning once a string is created it cannot be changed. Okay, so basically string which we have been created in the program, we cannot be changed it. So Python provides a rich set of methods and operations to manipulate strings. So how we can manipulate the string, that we going further. First we come to know what is the string exactly. So let's create the string here. And this is the double one. So this is the double one, and this is the multi one. Okay, so it's showing me the 4 1 2. Okay, so this is the multi-line comment has been came out here. So our output is, this is the test author book, and here our output is this. So our code was that. So that's how we can continue with the string. Let's continue with the accessing characters in a string. Accessing characters in a string, how we can do it. So for that I'm going to do string part-1. Okay, so string going to be very longer. So in this tutorial I'm going to use the half part of the string, and the half part of the string, some functionality I'm going to tell in the another tutorial. So here I am accessing characters in a string. Okay, so we have done something wrong here, that's why we're not going to do that. Continue with that now. So string sorry firstly we need to do the s equals to hello. So now we're going to do is string. If you have done any of coding language before the Python, then you must be familiar with this functionality. And print, so s, here will be the s and then it will be the 1. So if you are a beginner or you just starting your journey with the Python, then not an issue. You're going to get everything from scratch. But if you are experienced and you have done the one of the coding like C, C++, Java, Python, any other languages apart from Python, then can you guess what would be our output here? Okay, so might be you have guessed out what would be our output here. So string part-1 dot as I said, the gapping is more important. That is the reason why we do not get the output. So H and E. Okay, so first one was the 0, and always be starting number with the 0 from here. So 0 is H, and the second one is 1. It means at a place of 1 having a E. Okay, so I'm going to put 1 at a place of 4. So we're going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our output will be O. So our output will be O. So this means our output is O here. Okay. So if I put here the 3, then our output must be L. Let's check it out. Yeah. So our output is L. So that's how the string gets work here. This is called the accessing characters in a string. Now we're going to slicing string. What is the slicing string and how we can use it? So I'm going to get comment out this one. For that I need to do multi-line comment here. Okay, so this is called a multi-line comment. Okay, let's continue. Now we having a slicing line, CING, slicing strings. What is the slicing string basically? So we can extract a substring by specifying a range of indices. How we can say it, do it like suppose we having a s equals to hello world. Okay, and now print s 0 on 5, 0 colon 5. Okay, so what would be our output? Just think about it. The another one is S7 colon 12. Okay, then another one is print S on colon S, colon 5. Okay, so let's check it out. What is the output? So there is a 5, so we're going to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what would be our 5? So 0, so it started from 0, it's 1. Okay, so then 5, how would be the output? Let's check it out. What is our output? Hello world, hello. Okay, so 5, 0 to 5, which not be count, 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. So this is counted here, okay, from 0 to 5. So in 0 to 5, between whichever words comes out, so that would be printed out here. Then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's counted here 7. 7 is a space here. That is why if I will just close this one and we will remove that space, and let's check it out what will be our output. So ORLD, okay, because I removed that space. Why? Because of this O will be counted here. Now we're going to put the space here again, and then our output will be changed. So our output is world. Okay, so the third one is again world as well. Why? Because of there is no value here, but it's counted as a 0. That is why. So that is why it's again printing the 0. We having some more values as well, like we can do some more experiment with the coding, because the coding is all about the keep experimenting. So now I'm not going to put any value here. I'm just putting here 7, and let's make it to the world. Okay, so 0. The after 7 world 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so after 7 words, except 7 words. Okay, except 7 words, all the words will be counted here. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, let's move on. Let's do the one last experiment. If I do like -6, so what would be our output? Let's check it out. W. Okay, only the W will be our output, -6. So what we have done here, we have done the -6, so that's why. So it's showing the 7. So output last 6 characters. Okay, so last 6 characters will be removed. So that's how our output will be work. sorry, I just forgot the colon here. It's fine. Hello world. Last 6 digits will become here. Last 6 digits will be from here. Sorry, I just forgot to put the colon, so that is the reason why it was showing the W only. I was thinking it was with W. Okay. So that's how our flighting strings what works. Okay. So let's do the last string type, and then we'll continue with the next upcoming tutorial, and that is the string methods. So what is the string methods basically? So string having a different methods. We're going to cover rest of the methods in the upcoming tutorial. But here string methods basically Python provides a many built-in methods for string manipulation. So for the manipulation of the string, we're going to use some kind of a method. So first method which we're going to use is that is len. Okay, so what the len do exactly? It's get. Okay, so get the length of the string. So this is basically find out the length of the string. So let's check this out. Hello, okay, and we're going to put print here again len, okay, and s which is the value of hello, okay, and let's check it out. So the length will be 1 2 3 4 5. So let's check it out what would be our output. So yeah, 5 here. Okay, so it's completely telling the length. Let's continue with the world here as well. So the length will be 5 6 7 8 9 10. So let's, sorry, yeah, 11. Okay, so the length is come out to be 11. So this gap will be counted. If I remove this gap, then our output will be 10. Yeah, so our output is 10. But yeah, we're going to remove this cell and then okay. So that's how the len will be worked. The second one is a star dot lower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just comment out this one. Okay, and the another is star dot lower. Okay, so what are the use of this one is convert string to lower case. It's like a PHP. If you have done the PHP ever, so you must know about this. So s equals to we having a okay. Just for the experiment purpose, I'm doing it. It's not a completely rule to do that. S dot lower. Hello. Okay, so I have just put it here all in capital letter, and it's showing in the small letter. So that's how. Or at the same point, if I do upper, so I will put here hello as in hello. Okay, so it's showing me the capital letter. So before I had just put it in the capital letter showing small letter, here I put it the small letter showing the capital letter. So this is the string lower and upper. So that's how the string magic starts here with the methods. So there are the various kinds of methods in the Python, so which I am going to cover in my upcoming tutorial of the Python. So keep watching my all the upcoming tutorials that I'm going to share you some advanced version of Python, and you're going to enjoy a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.